Pass to number 17. Pass to jersey number 30. With the muscle man. The third down. Wala na ulit jersey number 29. Bumangga. Tumira. Wala na ulit na jersey number 17. Sagasa. Kinanan. Wala na ulit jersey number 27. Pass to number 30. They hit 2 points. Piso, wala pa rin na uli na jersey number 7. Follow jersey number. Thank you so much from PHHPL. Goes to and the 7 jersey number 27, Brady Julius from the downtown. Julius Soriano, number 22, Ambules. Tinutok na lang, iwan ang pamilya, 2 points. Tinutok lang, wala pa rin, with the putback, Ruiz, 2 points. Ito naman tayo, Prige, tinutok na naman, 2 points, ang bilis ng bola. Ito number 14, backdoor play tayo, ang ganda ng pasa, ang ganda ng tira, 2 points. Silvestre from the downtown. Presses, Silvestre. Pass jersey number 14, Soriano, tinutok, binongbit, 2 points. Number 29, Pumihit, Sumagasa, tinutok, 2 points. Nakakuha ni Julius, ang ganda ng pasa. Eto na, jersey number 30, 2 points. Sornet, lumipad, Sornet, 2 points. Ayong pagpaging lang. Good job at number 4, from the downtown, Bayador, Santiago. Big, Umigot. Pass to jersey number 27, 2 points. That's one down. Pass break na naman tayo, jersey number 8, Romero, 2 points. From the downtown again. Now jersey number 30. Pass break na naman. Pass to number 27, Sornet, 2 points. 2 minutes at 27. Eto na naman, Sornet. Tutok na ba? Jersey number 27 from the downtown. In and out. Now with jersey number 29. 2 points. Pass to the post. Jersey number 10. Kinikita. Foul basket. Foul. Pass to number 27. Top of the key. Sornet. To the corner. Jersey number 2. From the downtown. Pass to number 13 again. Jersey number 13. Pumangga. Tumira. 2 points. 10. Pass to number 10. Jersey number 10. Pumihit. Fouled by jersey number 13. Pass to number 27. With the upcut. 2 points. 13. Jersey number 13. Nasumaga sa foul basket. Foul on jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. First personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Number 10, 5 to shoot. Jersey number 10, 2 points. Pass to number 27, Mr. Perimeter, 2 points. And jersey number 27, from the downtown again. 1-2 points. 15, ang ganda ng cut, jersey number 29, 2 points. Sornet, from the downtown, Mark Sornet. Sasagasa, wala na ulit jersey number 19, to the rescue, 2 points. Pass to number 40. Download, Bumanga. 48, Alang Tawag. Offensive foul for jersey number 19. Ang bola, jersey number 10. Passer na lang, jersey number 10, 2 points. Kayodor, pass to Celestre. Celestre, Sumagasa, wala na Unino. Jersey number 10, wala pa rin na number 77. Pass to number 4, wala pa rin na Unino. Celestre pa rin, hindi pa rin makahulog. Bola tayo ng Patmar. Jersey number 29, 2 points. From the downtown, wala na ako na jersey number 1, ang Larmo, 2 points. Third na ako na jersey number 14, jersey number 14, pass to number 30, Hollywood, napunta kanino, napunta kayo Gerap, pass to jersey number 4, pass to number 77, iniwasan na, 2 points. Jersey number 77, 2 points. Pass to number 1, jersey number 1. Tinutok na lang, 2 points. Pass to jersey number 8 from the downtown. Kera, 3. Huh? 29. Inaabot mo pa rin yun. Pass to number 9, jersey number 9. Right-handed, 2 points. Pag di over sa kaliwa, sa kanan naman. Backdoor play tayo, jersey number 29, 2 points. Tinuto, Pinambi, 2 points. 50. Back to Soriano, pass to Sayawan. Stop touch. The veterans, 2 points. Julius with a big pass. Julius Soriano. 5 seconds. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 30. 5 to shoot. From the downtown. Tehudo. 2. To the cat. Pass to jersey number 29. Foul basket. Foul on jersey number 17. Jersey number 17.
Wala pala si Rivera dito.
Basket. Okay, jersey number 29. Bumaga. Pass to number 2. Foul on jersey number. Basket. Jersey number 14. What a in and out. Kick out. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 17. Ang haba mo. 2 points. Nalalaglag na shoot. Jersey number 77. Pass to number 10. Jersey number 10. Wala na ako ni jersey number 30. Pass break. Na ako ni jersey number 22. Na ako ni jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Pass to number 14. Jersey number 14. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 27. Wala. Na ako ni jersey number 29. Jersey number 29, nawala ang bola. Bola tayo ng Agila. Substitution. Jersey number 8, with a screen. Long 2. 2 points. May jersey ng Santiago, Omigo, Kinalewa. With the hook. 2 points. Pass to number 27, jersey number 27, pass to number 1. Jersey number 1, sub-touch, 2 points. Number 27, ang bilis mo, 2 points. Parang hindi umiitad Jersey number 14, pinuto na. Time out! Jersey number 27, pass to number 17. Sub-touch, ang veteran. Pass to jersey number 77, pinuto, 2 points. Wala na ako nino. Sayawan. Tusong net again. Wala yan ako ni jersey number 25. Pass to number 77. Nakuha na naman Surnet. Pinutok ng gusto. 2 points. Number 23. Jersey number 23. 2 points. jersey number 27. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time, 15 to shoot. Jersey number 27 from the Downtown. In and out. Now, Ed Joma. Pass to number 77 from the Downtown. Hindi talaga makahulog. Considerao. Congratulations to HHBL Season 2 champion, Aguila Brothers.